I have been making these delicious and healthy salmon cakes more frequently these days, and I wanted to share the recipe. So these are perfect as appetizers or also as a light lunch with some lemon juice or some sauce on the side. So for a quick, easy lunch idea, I simply use canned salmon. Make sure it's pink salmon with no skin and bone. And of course, make sure to drain it really well. You want it really dry. You can use baked salmon as well, or any leftovers from salmon you already made in the oven or the grill. Then I'm gonna add half a pepper, well diced. Make sure the veggies are really well diced. You want the pieces to be very small so they don't crumble when you're cooking them. So I'm gonna add some fresh parsley to add some flavor, 1 small onion, next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. This is completely optional, but adding some fish sauce adds a really nice flavor to the mix. Then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of avocado mayo. You can use the mayo you have. If you don't want to use eggs later, just use extra mayo because you want to help combine everything. This is optional again, but I like to use 1/3 of a cup of gluten-free breadcrumbs. Now for the spices, I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm not gonna add too much salt, just 1 teaspoon of salt. Be careful with the salt if you are using the fish sauce. Mix everything really well until the ingredients are well combined, and see if you need to use some extra mayo or another egg yolk just to help bind everything together. Your optional ingredients you can use is Dijon mustard. You can also use some lemon juice, but I love adding the lemon juice later when it's all done. Heat up your skillet, add a tablespoon of butter or oil. Make sure it's set to medium, and then just scoop the mixture into circles depending on how big you want them. Cook the patties for 2 to 3 minutes before turning them over. Make sure that the side is golden brown before turning. And you can serve them with a side of salad or simply on their own with some sauce. And I absolutely love having these for a light lunch again, or as appetizers. You can also make some extra and have them leftovers for the next day. So I really hope you try this recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna really love them.